guys, it's why is my camera taller than me? Short gal problems. Hey guys, it's Fatma. I hope you're all well. Oh, hold on. Why am I just diving into the video without giving you an explanation why I was gone for like 3 months? 3 weeks. I can't speak. Fatma, where have you been for like 3 weeks, sis? I don't know if you can still like sense it in my voice, but the flu nabbed me. It snatched me by my underscarf, this little thing here, and started spinning me around like, you know, Miss Trenchball, what she was doing to that little girl with pigtails. That's what the flu was doing to me. I was ill non-stop for like a month. I couldn't feel. Imagine me going, hey, I couldn't. It's embarrassing, and the video stayed up forever. Now that I got that explanation out the way, let's dive into the video. We are wow, I got too much energy. Let me tell you why we are at a different location. I usually film to my right. I think it's to your right. I don't know if it's to your left. To the left, I don't know. This whole entire thing is not mine. This is my wardrobe. This is my sister's. We're not going to touch hers because she's going to start growling at me. I am bringing you guys a style video. Woo! Woo! The reason behind the style video is, I don't know if you've noticed, but I usually like to rock the hood with a hijab beat. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, that was so cringe. I've recently been rocking the hood and the hijab tucked together. I post it on Instagram, sometimes Snapchat, and you guys pop up like, yo Fats, give us some tips. How do you rock it without looking like you got a pigeon chest? And I am here to help you guys. I'm here to help my sisters. That is why we are by my wardrobe. I'm not going to open this wardrobe because, whoa, it's messy. But what I am going to do is going to bring the camera down. I have a designated, that's right, big words, designated area to put my hijabs at. So let me just bring you guys down to my level. 1 second. So we are by my drawers right now. Drawers, is that how you say it? Man, don't know. Is this the lowest it can get? Raw, my tripod. Okay, I think I might have to. One hijab drawer, and this is the other. This is my neat hijab drawers. Now once we open it, whoa, hijabs in order in that. This is literally only a quarter of my hijabs. And we've got an underscarf here, we've got some safety pins here, we got the chiffons up here, we got the maxis down here, we got the crinkled ones down here, we got jersey ones back here, you know, all that good stuff. Listen, this video is like hella shambolic right now. I usually get my hijabs from a place called Whitechapel Market in East London. If you're a Londoner, you probably have heard of that. You probably even go there. There's literally every single hijab material that you are looking for. Whitechapel is the place to go to. You can get maxi hijabs, 6 for a tenner, I believe. Yes, 6 for a tenner. And chiffon hijabs, which are known to be a little bit more pricey, go for 4, sometimes 5 if you bargain for a tenner. I don't usually bargain, that's like their livelihood, so whatever they charge me, I pay. Because at the end of the day, that's how they get their coins, and you gotta respect that, you know. I used to wear maxi hijab, but I recently switched to chiffon hijabs because chiffon, I feel, is easier to style with a hoodie if you don't want to look like a pigeon. The only problem with chiffon hijabs, they slip off your headpiece. Literally, you put it on, it will fly off your head. It will literally, which is where these bad boys come into place. Oh, look at me, cutie geary and stuff. Let me try and not show you lot my nails. I proper feel like a typical hijabi YouTubers, you know, the ones that do hijab tutorials, makeup tutorials. Okay, so this is what an underscarf looks like. I usually tend to go with the ones that have these dangly bits at the back. So when you place it, this is gonna look very weird. But when you place it upon your head, yo, this looks so strange. Why am I doing this? And then you tie it around your bun. Oh, also, with this video is literally all over the place, but I hope it's somehow making sense. Make sure your bun is in a low bun. If it's a high bun, it's gonna look absolutely ridiculous and not cute. You wanna go for a low bun so it gives you that kind of peanut head look. So once you put that on your headpiece, it's time to put on the hijab, right? Now I'm gonna give you guys a hijab tutorial on how to get this hijab style. I haven't exactly got any non-hijabi models to model for me. It's just me, myself and I in this bedroom. I'm also a hijabi, so I'm not gonna take off my hijab because then you're gonna catch my sideshow bob ass slipping. So what I'm gonna do is just demonstrate on myself. You see chiffons, they're very sheer. So what you wanna do is fold it in half, but not all the way to the end because then your neck's gonna show. So you're gonna wanna leave this much and then fold the rest. And this looks absolutely ridiculous. But once you place it on your head, fold these two sides like that and then pin it. You want to pin it with these non-snag safety pins. If you just pin it on those little old-fashioned time pins, it's going to create a hole in your hijab and you don't want that. What I like to do is I like to fold the pin back so it's not visible. And then you're going to grab the longer side. Make sure one side is longer than the other before you pin it down. Grab the longer side and you're going to bring it over like this. Play around with it, fix it up, and then here's the magic part. You tack it in to your oh my gosh, I feel like I'm getting strangled because I have two hijabs on top of one another. So this is the finished look. This is how it looks from behind. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this very shambolic video. I'm going to insert some clips of me wearing different hoodies with different colour hijabs to kind of give you that feel on how it looks with other type of hoodies, like with the traditional type of hoodie, because this is kind of a flannel with a hoodie attached. It kind of looks weird, but I liked it and I picked up in it. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want me to do other fashion related type of videos, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel if you are new. Thank you guys all so much for watching and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!
Yeah. God bless. God bless. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. God bless. God bless. God bless. God bless. Yeah, yeah. 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 God bless. 핫도 깨부셔버려 무작정 어두운 날들이 느껴진다면